Recipe of success. Success is a subjective and multifaceted concept, and there isn't a one-size-fits-all recipe for achieving it. People define success in various ways, whether it's related to career accomplishments, personal fulfillment, relationships, or other aspects of life. However, there are some common principles and attitudes that many successful individuals share. Here are key components often associated with success. Clear goals. Successful individuals tend to set clear, specific, and achievable goals. Knowing what you want to accomplish provides direction and motivation. Hard work and perseverance. Success often involves dedication, hard work, and the ability to persist in the face of challenges. Embracing a strong work ethic is a common trait among successful people. Continuous learning. Successful individuals often have a mindset of lifelong learning. They seek opportunities to acquire new skills, stay informed, and adapt to changes in their respective fields. Adaptability. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances is crucial for success. Successful individuals are often flexible and open to adjusting their strategies based on new information or challenges. Resilience. Resilience is the capacity to bounce back from setbacks. Successful people view failures as learning experiences and use them to grow stronger and more resilient. Focus and prioritization. Success often involves the ability to prioritize tasks, focus on what matters most, and avoid distractions. Time management is a critical skill in this regard. Effective communication. Strong communication skills are essential for success. This includes the ability to convey ideas clearly, actively listen, and collaborate effectively with others. Networking and relationship building. Building and maintaining positive relationships with others can open doors, provide support, and create opportunities for success. Integrity and ethics. Maintaining high ethical standards and integrity contributes to long-term success. Trust is a valuable asset in personal and professional relationships. Passion and purpose. Pursuing goals aligned with one's passion and sense of purpose can lead to greater satisfaction and fulfillment, contributing to a sense of success. Risk-taking. Taking calculated risks is often a part of achieving success. Being willing to step outside of one's comfort zone and embrace new challenges can lead to significant growth. Financial management. Successful individuals often demonstrate financial responsibility and effective management of resources, contributing to long-term stability. Self-reflection. Regularly reflecting on one's goals, actions, and values can lead to self-awareness and the ability to make informed decisions aligned with personal values. Gratitude. Cultivating a sense of gratitude for what one has achieved and the support received along the way can contribute to a positive mindset and overall well-being. It's important to note that success is highly individualized, and people may prioritize these components differently based on their values and goals. Additionally, success is not a destination, but a journey, and individuals may redefine and evolve their definitions of success over time.